So according to all trails, this trail isn't even 2 miles, so be able to knock it out pretty quick, I believe, and see the bridge. Didn't expect it to be just straight uphill. Looks like we're leveling out here. Got up here fast though. Place reminded me of Zion, like a smaller version. Can't believe I'm breathing in this heavy. Looks like we're heading down now. This is so smooth. Wow. A little cactus. It feels so good down this little valley. The sun just beating on you takes it out of you real quick. That sees the Hick Bridge. It's over yonder. Right there. Ah. You come out from over there, so you get to go under it. That's awesome. I thought you just had to look at it from far away. Oh, that's a view right there. This is an even better view. This looks just like Zion right there. He's just up here chilling and sunbathing. But me, I'm gonna put my hood up because my neck's getting burnt. I can feel it. Pretty cool for him to just be sitting up there though. He's staring at me now. Yeah, he's up for me. He knows that I'm not a threat. Or he just doesn't care. There it is. A lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be. Almost fell. Oh, it feels so good over here. Wow. It's huge. Let's see in comparison how small those two are compared to the scale of it. Huge. Now I gotta try to get down.
Well, May, we're taking a picture.
Well, I don't know.
Oh, my head. Oh, my head almost went. I don't know how good it looks from this side. Oh, yeah. Oh, gosh. Can't get hurt. Wife will be mad. And the other side. Definitely better. All the vegetation down here, that was crazy. And that's the rim. You can hike up there. It's an extra mile or two. And you can view it from the rim top up there, which you can see there's people up there. I think I'd rather walk to it and walk under it. Makes it fun. Makes it fun. Now, I have to get down all this. Well, being frustrated at the amount of people here in the cars and not being able to find a parking spot, all worth it. I'll take it. Now, this is the view right here.
It is quite the view.
You don't even have to walk in it. Yeah. It was definitely worth it. Now for the hike down, which should be glorious. Man, look at this landscape. All this vegetation and everything. It just blows my mind every time I come out to Utah. I gotta take this tunnel out. I thought it went in a little further. Those two ladies dancing. That's what it's all about. Coming out and just having fun, not caring the world. That type of fun, positive energy is very infectious. Put me in a better mood. And we got one more up before we come back down and be about the car, it looks like. Got me breathing heavy again. Without me breathing heavy, this is a very pleasant trail. Back at the road in the water. Go parking lot. Go parking lot. Sound of water rushing after hiking is so refreshing. If you just want to take a dip. Well, besides the parking and the heavy breathing, hike was very pleasant. I actually enjoyed it after driving for so long today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.